welcome all of you. Today we will discuss some cases of projectile motion. We have studied the three formulas, that is height, u square sine square theta upon 2g, then formula for range, that is u square sine 2 theta upon g, and time, that is 2u sine theta upon g. So these three formulas we have studied, that is when object is thrown at some angle with velocity u, it covers a projectile path, the maximum distance covered is called range, this is the height, time required is t, and this path is also called trajectory. Okay, so what cases we are going to study here? That is case number 1. Maximum range. Maximum range. When range is maximum, the range, this value, when it will become maximum? But sine, we have studied this curve, sine चा curve आपण बघितलेला आहे. Curve of sine, 0 degree ला 0, 90 degree ला 1, 180 degree ला परत 0, 270 degree ला -1. So value of sine is maximum at 90 degree. Value of sine is maximum at 90 degree. That means this sine will become maximum at 90 degree, which is nothing but 1. बाकी सगळ्याच्या व्हॅल्यू आहेत हाफ, 1/2, sin 30 is 1/2, sin 60 is √3/2, sin 45 is 1/√2, sin 0 is 0. All are less than 1. The maximum value is sin 90, that is 1. So to get the maximum value of this angle should be 90 degree. So R max is when sin 2 theta becomes 1. When this sin 2 theta becomes 1, when this angle, this 2 theta, this angle becomes 90 degree. This 2 theta becomes 90 degree. From here, theta becomes 2 ने divide करूँगा अपन इधर, so it will be 90 upon 2. This theta becomes 45 degree. So when you throw the projectile at 45 degree angle, suppose this angle is 45 degree, then this will cover maximum distance. खूप दूर पर्यंत जाईल. Simple logic आहे. तुम्ही खूप जास्त angle ठेवला. बघा क्रिकेट बघितलं, खूप बॉल वरती गेला तर काय होतं, कॅच पकडला जातो, 6 नाही जात. खूप जर वरती गेला तर 6 नाही जात, वरती जातो आणि खाली येतो आणि कॅच घेतला जातो. तेवढा टाइम पण मिळतो फिल्डरला की टू स्टँड बिलो द बॉल. फिल्डर विल रिसीव द टाइम, he will get the time to stand below the, to go and stand below the ball. But when the ball is hit at 45 degree, then it will be sure shot 6. But and दूसरी गोष्ट जर एंगल कमी असेल तर तिथल्या तिथेच काय होणार आहे, तो प्लेड होणार आहे. म्हणजे कमी अँगलला पण इथंच पडणार, जास्त अँगलला पण इथंच पडणार. ठीक आहे ना, स्मॉल अँगलला पण इथंच, लार्ज अँगलला पण इथंच, आणि 45 डिग्रीला दूर वरती जाणार आहे. ठीक आहे, थोडा जास्त अँगल असेल तर इथं, थोडा आणि असेल तर इथं, पण 40 एक्झॅक्ट 45 ला तो दूर वरती जाणार आहे. सो दिस इज द कंडिशन फॉर मॅक्सिमम रेंज. देन we'll see case 2. Case 2. Case 2. Range for complementary angles. range for complementary angles. For example, this is the range for angle theta. So for theta, range is equal to u square sine 2 theta upon g. This is the range. Now for 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta is the complementary angle of theta. Why it is complementary angle? त्या दोघांची सम 90 झाली पाहिजे. बघा याची सम 90 होते का? थीटा प्लस 90 मायनस थीटा. बघा प्लस थीटा मायनस थीटा कॅन्सल. किती झाली सम? 90. सो थीटा आणि 90 मायनस थीटा हे असे अँगल आहेत ज्यांचे सम 90 डिग्री होते. These angles are called complementary angles. So we'll check what will be the range for complementary angles. So R is equal to u square sine 2. In place of this theta, I will write 90 minus theta. In place of this theta, I will write 90 minus theta upon g. Then what will happen? See. This will become 2 into 90, 180. 2 into theta is 2 theta upon g. Now in mathematics you will come to know 180 minus angle sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Sine of, remember biology people, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, but sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Similarly, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. You have studied this in 10th class. First. सेकंड वाले आता लक्षात ठेवा तुम्ही. मॅथमॅटिक्स मध्ये मॅथ्स स्टुडंट शिकणार आहेत. मॅथ्स स्टुडंट्स आर गोइंग टू स्टडी मॅथमॅटिक्स, बट biology people you remember this. Cos of 180 minus theta is cos theta minus of cos theta. You remember this. So now you see 2 into 90 is 180, 2 into theta is 2 theta. So that means sine of 180 minus any angle. Sine of 180 minus angle is sine of angle. So it will become u square sine 2 theta upon g. So what is our observation? U square sine 2 theta upon g. U square sine 2 theta upon g. That means range is same for complementary angles. Range is same for complementary angles. Range is maximum for theta is equal to 45 degree. Range is maximum for theta is equal to 45 degree and range is same for complementary angles. म्हणजे 10 डिग्रीला जी रेंज असेल तीच 80 डिग्रीला असेल. 20 डिग्रीला the range is same for 20 degree and 70 degree. The range म्हणजे 20 and 70 किती होतं? 90 होतं. 10 and 80 90 होते. Range is same for 30 degree and 60 degree. 30 plus 60 is 90. Range is same for 40 degree and 50 degree because 40 plus 50 is 90. Range is same for 45 degree and 45 degree because 45 degree चा complementary angle कोण आहे? 45 degree चा आहे. So range is same for 45 and 45. So because that is the maximum range. Next we'll find maximum height. Case 3. Maximum height. Obviously, height will become maximum when sin theta becomes 1. This sin theta becomes 1. And this will become 1 when theta is equal to 90 degree. Finish. म्हणजे बॉल ज्यावेळी वरती प्रोजेक्ट केला आहे त्यावेळी तो हाईट मॅक्सिमम असणार आहे. In this case range is equal to 0. Range is 0. Height is maximum at theta is equal to 90 degree. At theta is equal to 90 degree. So these are the very important cases. Case 1, range is maximum at theta is equal to 45 degree. Range is same for two complementary angles, and height is maximum at 90 degree. Okay, these are very important cases. Now we are going to find the equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory. What we know about trajectory? Trajectory is the path of projectile. Path followed by the projectile. Now see. This is the path followed by the projectile. This is initial velocity. This is horizontal component u cos theta. We know this is theta. This is vertical component, that is u sin theta. So I will write two separate equations in horizontal as well as in vertical. Okay. So what will be the equation in horizontal direction? Sx is equal to ux into t plus half ax into t square. We know there is no acceleration in horizontal direction. Ax is 0. This is ux. This is uy. Ay is equal to g, downward. Acceleration is downward in vertical direction. Okay. So this Sx at any point x comma y, I will assume the vertical distance y and horizontal distance x. That means this Sx is x. Sx is x. U cos theta into t. Acceleration is 0. That's why this whole component is 0. So this becomes x is equal to u cos theta into t. So from here t is equal to x upon u cos theta. T is equal to x upon u cos theta. Similarly, I will write equation for vertical direction, that is Sy is equal to uyt plus half ayt square. What is Sy for this point? How much distance it traveled in the vertical direction? Y. हे x का घेतलं, हा इथं पोहोचलाय ना, म्हणजे तो हॉरिझॉन्टली x ट्रॅव्हल झाला, व्हर्टिकली y ट्रॅव्हल झाला. So y is the vertical distance traveled by the object. X is the horizontal distance traveled by the object. Uy. What is uy? U sin theta into time plus half. What is the acceleration due to gravity? This is going upward, hence acceleration due to gravity is downward, negative, minus g into t square. Now remember, हा इथून इथपर्यंत गेला म्हणजे सायमल्टेनियसली त्याने x पण कव्हर केला, सायमल्टेनियसली y पण कव्हर, म्हणजे इट कव्हर्स सायमल्टेनियसली x and as well as y. That means time is common. Simultaneously word represents time is common for both. So substitute this value t is equal to, substitute this value t in this equation. So we'll get y is equal to u sin theta into t, x upon u cos theta. minus half into g into t square. So it will become x square upon u square cos square theta. So here u and u is cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So y is equal to tan theta into x minus half this cos square theta. When it goes to numerator, it will become sec square theta. So half g into sec square theta upon u square into this x square. So this is the equation of trajectory. This is the equation of trajectory. Okay, so remember this equation. When if you have asked, suppose a projectile is thrown now from origin from 0, and now it is at some x is equal to 5. What is the y coordinate? So we have to substitute all the values. U, that is the velocity, theta is the angle of projection, x, that is the x coordinate, you have to substitute, you will get the value. की तो आता x मध्ये इतका ट्रॅव्हल झाला तो y मध्ये किती असणार आहे? What is the y coordinate? So this is very important derivation of trajectory, equation of trajectory. Right. So with this, our projectile motion, that is motion in a plane, मतलब जो projectile motion part होता, this is finished. So for tomorrow's test, this chapter will come and few revision type questions of motion in a line. Okay, basic questions. थोडेसे त्याचे येतील and 75% questions are based on equation of trajectory and projectile motion on this chapter. Okay, lecture 1 and lecture 2. Okay, thank you very much.